polynomial, class 9 chapter 2. What is polynomial? At first you should know the definition of polynomial. What is polynomial? Actually polynomial is an expression. Polynomial is an expression made with variables, constants and exponents, combined with subtraction, addition, multiplication, not division. As for example, x square plus 5x plus 9. This is a polynomial. This one is an exponent of x square, and this one, how many terms are there? Actually 3 terms. These are called terms of a polynomial. Combined with addition, 3 terms combined with addition. There are different types of polynomials. See, some polynomials I am writing here. See here, in this polynomial, only one term is there, single term polynomial. And here, 2 terms are there. This one is one, this one is another term. And in this polynomial, you can see 3 terms are there. So this is a single term polynomial, and single term polynomial is called monomial. Single term polynomial is called monomial. Single term polynomial is called monomial, and 2 term polynomial is called binomial, and 3 term polynomial is called trinomial. And if in a polynomial 4 terms are there, it is called quadrinomial, and if 5 terms are there, it is called a polynomial of 5 terms, polynomial of 6 terms, polynomial of n terms, so on. Then you have learned about variable and constant in earlier classes. In class 8 and in class 7 also you have learned 5x. A single term polynomial, this one is x. We don't know the value of x here, and 5 it has a constant value. So the term x here, we don't know the value of x. That's why this is called a variable. In different questions, value of x will be different. That's why it is called a variable. And 5, it has a constant value, that's why it is a coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, and 5x, x is variable and 5 is the coefficient of x. See, here in this polynomial 3x plus 2, the coefficient of x is 3. And this one single 2 is a term, constant term, because it has a fixed value. That's why it is called constant. So now degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. How you will find out the degree of a polynomial? What in this polynomial? See, one polynomial I wrote here: 5x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 7 is a polynomial of 4 terms. Now what is the degree of this polynomial? To find the degree of this polynomial, you just check the powers of variable. The highest power of the variable is called degree of the given polynomial. Here highest power of the variable, here variable is x. Here the power of x is 3, here the power of x is 2, here 1. That means the highest power of the variable here 3. So the degree of this polynomial will be 3. So like this you can find out degree of a polynomial. Now can you, okay, this one only 5, it is a constant term. What will be the degree of a constant term? degree of a constant term, because since here a variable is not there, that means we can write here x to the power 0, because we know x to the power anything to the power 0 equal to 1. So with 5 we can write x to the power 0, because x to the power 0 is 1, that means 5 into 1 is 1. 1 is 5. So we can write here x to the power 0. That means here the power of variable is 0 only. So the degree of a constant term is 0 actually. The degree of a constant term, any constant term, degree of any constant term is 0. Now, what is the degree of this polynomial? Here the power of the variable is 1, and here no variable, that means 1 is the highest power in this polynomial. So degree of this polynomial is 1. Degree of this polynomial is 2. Now, according to the degree of a polynomial, the name of this one is 0, this one is constant polynomial, because the term of this polynomial is a constant term. That's why it is a constant polynomial, and degree of a constant polynomial is always 0. And this one polynomial of two terms and its degree is 1. If the degree of a polynomial is 1, then the polynomial linear polynomial. Then which polynomial? 2x plus 5. It is a polynomial of degree 1, and a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. So what is a linear polynomial? Linear polynomial is a polynomial whose degree is 1. And if the degree of a polynomial is 2, then it is called a quadratic polynomial. And this polynomial having degree 2, that's why this polynomial is called a quadratic polynomial. See this polynomial, here degree of this polynomial is 3, and if the degree of a polynomial is 3, it is called a cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial, what is cubic polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is 3, it is called a cubic polynomial. And if the degree of a polynomial is 4, then it is called a biquadratic polynomial, or also called quartic polynomial. And if the degree of a polynomial is n, then it is called a polynomial of degree n. So like this, if 0 is called a 0 polynomial, zero is called a 0 polynomial, and a constant term is called a constant polynomial. And if the degree is 1, then it is called a linear polynomial, then quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic or quartic polynomial, like this. Now, standard form of the quadratic polynomial. See, 3x plus 2 plus 5x square plus 5x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed plus x square. This is a polynomial of degree 4, because the highest power of the variable is 4. This is a polynomial of degree 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. Now what will be the standard form? See, 5x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed plus x square plus 3x plus 2, or you can write 2 plus 3x plus x square plus 3x square plus 5x to the power 4. The standard form of a polynomial will be in increasing order of the variable and decreasing order. So this one decreasing order, x to the power 4 plus then x cubed then x squared then x then 0. So like this, if you arrange the terms of a polynomial, then we will get the standard form. That's all for today. Thank you.